Hello everyone. Today we will be going to solving the problems from Codeforces round 636 division 3 alternating subsequence. Let's see what the problem is telling us. So basically what is been told is that we are given a sequence A consisting of n positive and negative elements. We have to choose maximum by size in the alternative subsequence of the given sequence. Among all such subsequence, you have to choose the maximum sum of elements. So basically what it is saying, let's show you the example. So this is the subsequence that is given to us. 1 2 3 are positive numbers, -1 and -2 are negative numbers. Means in each subsequence of alternative positive and negative elements, we have to find the maximum. So in this subsequence of positive elements, the maximum is 3, and in this subsequence of negative elements, the maximum is -1. So its summation will be 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Similarly, here in this subsequence of negative elements, the maximum is -1. This will be the answer. Also in this one, it will be -2. Then in this positive, it will be 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Then in negative, it will be -4. 6 minus 4 2, and then again 5 because it is the only positive. 2 plus 5 7, and in this negative it will be -2. 7 minus 2 will be 5, and then it will be positive, that will be 6. 6 is the answer. So let's go to the code and code it out. Let's code it out. So let's see what has been asked. First it will take an integer t, the number of test cases. Then it will contain the number of elements in A, and then it contain the array. So let's take it. First it will include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h using namespace std, define ll long. So first we'll take the test case int main, it will be int t, c int t. Then we will run a while loop, the number of test cases. While t minus minus will take the number of elements, and 10 will take the input. Then we'll initialize the array. Let's take them as long. Then we'll initialize the array of size n. We'll take an input for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We'll do a scene array of I. Then what we'll do, we'll iterate over the array, so that we will iterate over the specific subsequence of the loop. Means positive subsequence and the negative subsequence. We'll find the maximum elements among them and then sum it out. Okay, so we'll iterate int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, what we will do, we'll take the current index, like int j equals to I. It will store the current index, and we'll take a maxi. Maxi will be the first element in array of I. Okay, so we'll run a inside loop, like while j is the current loop. Okay, current pointer. While j is less than n, it will be like the boundary case. It will run while till j is less than n, and sign of array of I equals to sign of array of j. Sign will be a functions. Let's run it. It will be a boolean function. It will show us, it will give us the sign. Sign means whether it is a positive value or a negative value. So we'll return true if it is positive and false if it is negative. Okay, so while j less than n and sign of array of I equals to sign of n, what we will do, we will find the maximum of that number, maximum values. Okay, maxi of maxi comma array of j, and we increment the j's value, j plus plus. Okay, so we have found that maximum element in that subsequence. What we will do now, is we will point our ith value to the last number of that subsequence. I equals to j minus 1. Why j minus 1? Because in the next iteration, as it is incrementing plus 1, it will increment to the next value in the next sequence. Okay, so I equals to j minus 1, and then I will take a answer here, the summation. Let's initialize it, and then what we'll do, we'll plus it with the maxi, and finally we'll see out the answer, endl, and we'll return 0. Let's take the example. Let's run it. Acha, it will be long. Sir was not declared in the scope. Okay, so we have to declare it outside. Oh, issues. Two minus 1 6 and minus 2 9 9 9 9 7. Let's see. 2 minus 1 6 minus 2 9 9 9 9 7. Let's, if you haven't understand, let's make a dry run. Let's take it quickly. So in the subsequence of 1 to 3, the positive elements, the maximum is 3, and in the subsequence of negative elements, the maximum is minus 1. So its summation will be 3 plus minus 1 equals to 2. It will be the answer. Let's see. Yeah, it's 2. Let's download the code. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's running absolutely fine. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.